This 21.5-inch Frameo digital frame is so smart, Grandma might start texting memes. Ever feel like your best memories are trapped inside your phone like digital hostages? You snap dozens of pics at every family barbecue, vacation, or baby's first sneeze, yet somehow, they vanish into the abyss of your camera roll. Meanwhile, Grandma's stuck squinting at a 3-inch screen, and your partner keeps asking when you'll print those wedding pics. The truth? Between chaotic schedules and unreliable tech, sharing life's magic moments feels more like a chore than a joy. And don't even start with the endless cloud logins and forgotten USB drives. What's the point of capturing memories if they're buried under cat memes and screenshots? Let's crank the guilt a notch. Those graduation shots? Still stuck on your phone. Your baby's first steps? Only you saw it, and now you're out of storage. The promise of "I'll send the photos later" never becomes now. Everyone's waiting, but life keeps moving. Your parents want updates, your best friend just got engaged, and the holidays are coming fast. Meanwhile, your wall's blank and your loved ones are out of the loop. It's not just lost time, it's missed connection. Sharing shouldn't require tech support and a therapist. You deserve better than digital purgatory. You need a smarter way to stay close, even when you're far. Now meet the 21.5-inch Frameo digital photo frame, the cure for photo hoarding, emotional distance, and tech frustration. With a glorious 1920 by 1080 Full HD IPS touchscreen, this beauty transforms your desk, kitchen, or living room into a living memory wall. And it doesn't just display photos, it tells stories. Send pics and 15-second videos instantly from anywhere via Wi-Fi using the free Frameo app. Auto-rotate, zoom, captions, even weather, it's like a magic window that updates in real time. Grandma can finally see her grandkids daily. Your decor just got emotional. And you? You're now the family's favorite without lifting a finger. What makes the Frameo digital frame special? It's not just the sleek 21.5-inch touchscreen, the huge 64 GB of built-in storage, or the support for USB and microSD cards. It's the way it simplifies your life. No clunky buttons, no confusing apps, just intuitive touch, plug-and-play setup, and moments that pop with color and clarity from any angle. It's easy enough for grandparents, cool enough for teens, and surprisingly addictive for everyone in between. Whether it's daily smiles, milestone moments, or long-distance love, this frame turns digital clutter into warm, heart-hugging reality. Want to see it in action? Stick around, you'll be hooked. Thousands of families are already obsessed with Frameo digital frame, and let's be real, you'll want in. No subscriptions. No awkward software. Just pure, real-time connection that fits on your nightstand or mounts on the wall. With limited inventory and a surge in gift season demand, these frames vanish faster than cookies at Christmas. So don't wait. Don't overthink it. Click the link. Grab one, or 3, before they're gone. Make your memories live, breathe, and smile again. Whether it's for you or someone you love, the Frameo isn't just a frame, it's the heartbeat of your home.